Alright, at this particular moment, I am going to take the opportunity to provide you with some valuable tips on how. I will now explain how you can view the various properties associated with a line. First we need to click on the line. Next, perform a right click. Then select Properties. Next, we are able to observe there is a red color. Next, the type is center align. And the scale is 5. We can change the color to something else. Next, we can also change the type of the line to a different type if needed. And we can also change the scale to a different value to a significantly larger scale. Or alternatively, you can adjust it to be smaller. Let's revert it back. The tips. That concludes our tips on line properties for this session. I hope you find the information helpful. Thank you.